Ratchet straps are fasteners used to secure cargo during transport. When used correctly, these straps can support many different weights and cargo sizes. The ratcheting buckle is where all the magic happens. When you pull on one end of the strap, it winds around a small drum inside the buckle. Each time you crank the handle up and down, the drum rotates, pulling more of the strap onto it, and effectively tightening its grip. To release the strap, press the release tab and open the ratchet. The main components of the ratchet straps are ratcheting gear, 2 pieces of metal called mandrel, ratcheting handle with manual pawl. These parts are assembled together by 2 pins on the outer side of the mandrel. The pin is bent in 2 directions, to make sure it can spin in 2 directions. The lower part of the ratcheting assembly consists of automatic pawl. When the handle moves back and forth, the manual pawl catches the gear teeth and rotates in one direction. This results in the rotation of the mandrel and back-forth movement of the automatic pawl. To make another rotation, this process is repeated. Now to thread the strap, slide the fabric through the opening in the middle of the mandrel. The handle is moved up and down, the mandrel rotates, the tight end of the strap pulls outwards, and the loose end is pulled inwards, and the strap is pulled tight. The pressure is increased between the layers of the strap, and as you might know, more pressure equals more friction. To lock the ratchet strap, simply pull the handle all the way to the base and press it against the automatic pawl. By pulling the pawl on the handle up, you can lift it over the teeth of the ratchet gear. That disengages the automatic pawl. So now both the pawl are disengaged, and the gear is free to rotate, releasing the strap. So this is how the ratchet strap works.